Okay, now we're going to transition into basic cell biology. And we're going to start talking about DNA and how DNA makes proteins and how mutations can happen, because all those things directly affect how the brain works. Most of you in the class probably know that there's a relationship between depression and serotonin. But I bet the majority of you think it's probably because we don't have enough serotonin for some reason. For this following lesson, Hope will show you that the proteins that sit on the cells in your brain that receive serotonin, they could be flawed. And they could be flawed because of the DNA you are carrying. So that's the whole idea. We got to start talking about DNA and genetics in order to understand why some people have predispositions for different mental health issues. And it starts right here with the basic animal cell. Now this is a slide, again, right out of 6th grade biology. It shows all the kind of cool stuff we learned, smooth and rough endoplasmic reticulum, the Golgi body. But what I want you to focus on simply is the nucleus. What's in the nucleus right here, the center of the cell, and a word you probably never heard before, something called chromatin. Now notice, I've added it to this slide. That means it's important. Chromatin is the stuff that's inside the nucleus. And what is the stuff that's inside the nucleus? Proteins and DNA. So nucleic acids and proteins, 2 of our macromolecules. So, question that makes its way to a quiz or exam is, what is chromatin made up of? And the answer is DNA and proteins.